Did you know that your empty plastic bottles could be transformed into beautiful garden treasures? If you're like me, you probably have a few bottles lying around, wondering what to do with them. Well, today, we're going to turn that trash into treasure. Now, if you're looking at your garden and thinking, I want to give it a little makeover, but I'm not sure where to start, or how to do it without spending too much, you're not alone. I've been there too. Sometimes the best way to refresh your garden is with a little creativity, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 incredibly easy, budget-friendly ways to upcycle those plastic bottles you've been collecting into beautiful, functional garden decor. Whether you're new to gardening or just looking for a simple way to enhance your outdoor space, you'll be amazed at how simple and fun these ideas are. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be seeing your old plastic bottles in a whole new light. Welcome to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, where gardening and DIY come together to help you create the perfect outdoor space, no matter your experience or space limitations. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you love turning ordinary things into something special, then you've found the right place. Our channel is all about making gardening fun, simple, and accessible for everyone, especially seniors. Whether you're working with a small patio or a larger backyard, we've got projects that'll fit any space and budget. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our simple, fun gardening projects designed just for you. We're here every day with new ideas that'll help you transform your garden into a beautiful oasis. And don't forget to click that notification bell, so you'll always be the first to know when a new video goes live. That way, you won't miss any of our easy, senior-friendly gardening tips and tricks. Number 1. Bottle planters. Let's start with one of the simplest and most fun ways to upcycle your plastic bottles, turning them into beautiful planters. To make these planters, all you need is an empty plastic bottle, some scissors, and a drainage tool to punch holes at the bottom for water to drain. Simply cut the bottle in half, and you'll have the perfect base for your plants. Then, add your potting soil and plant some easy-to-care for herbs or flowers. These planters are great for small spaces like balconies or patios. You can even hang them on a fence to create a vertical garden, which is ideal for those of us with limited outdoor space. Just imagine walking past a row of beautiful, vibrant flowers hanging in these custom-made bottles. Materials needed: empty plastic bottles, scissors, a drainage tool, or simply a small nail to make holes, potting soil, seeds, or small plants. If you want to make these planters even more special, consider painting your bottles to match your garden theme. Whether you go for bold, bright colors or soft pastels, you can really get creative. You can even add some decorative touches, like ribbons, stones, or twine, to make your bottles look like little works of art. These upcycled planters are not only functional but will add a touch of personality to your outdoor space. Plus, they're so easy to make, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform those empty bottles into something beautiful. Number 2. Bottle watering system. Now let's move on to a clever way to keep your plants hydrated while you're away, turning your plastic bottles into a slow-release watering system. To create this system, all you need is an empty bottle and a pin or nail. Start by poking small holes in the lid of your bottle. These will allow the water to slowly drip out when buried in the soil. Practical example. This is perfect if you're going away for the weekend or even just need to give your plants a little extra care while you're busy. Simply bury the bottle upside down next to your plant, and as the soil dries out, the water will slowly seep through the holes, keeping your plants happy and hydrated. Materials needed: empty bottles, a pin or nail to poke the holes, your plants. You can bury the bottle right next to your plant, and it will act as a little self-watering system. The best part is, you don't need to worry about overwatering or underwatering. The soil will only absorb as much water as it needs. This simple trick is a lifesaver during those busy weeks when you can't always be outside watering your garden, and it's an easy way to help your plants thrive with minimal effort. Number 3. Garden markers. Next up, Let's use those plastic bottles to help keep your garden organized and eco-friendly. I'm talking about creating garden markers. This project is simple and useful. Just cut the bottom part of a plastic bottle into strips. These strips will act as your garden markers, helping you label different plants in your garden. This is a great way to keep track of all your herbs or vegetable plants. Whether you're growing basil, tomatoes, or carrots, these markers will make it easy to know what's planted where. Plus, they're an eco-friendly alternative to store-bought plastic markers, and they're free to make. Materials needed: empty plastic bottles, scissors, a permanent marker. If you want to get a little creative, you can decorate your garden markers with fun designs. You could add colorful drawings, patterns, or even some uplifting words to brighten up your garden space. These personalized markers will make your garden look even more charming. Not only will these markers help you stay organized, but they're also a great way to reuse plastic bottles and reduce waste. And trust me, once you have your markers in place, you'll feel like a true garden pro. Number 4, bird feeders. Now let's turn a simple plastic bottle into something that not only looks great but also brings some feathered friends to your garden: a bird feeder. This project is as easy as it gets. Take your empty plastic bottle, cut a few small openings in the sides, and fill it with birdseed. Once you've done that, all that's left to do is hang it up and watch the magic happen. This is a fantastic way to attract colorful birds to your backyard. Whether you have a cozy patio or a big garden, hanging up your new bird feeder will bring nature right to your doorstep. Imagine sitting back, relaxing, and watching a parade of beautiful birds visiting your garden. It's the perfect way to connect with the outdoors. Materials needed: empty plastic bottle, birdseed, twine, scissors. For the best results, place your bird feeder in a quiet corner of your yard, somewhere safe from pets and loud noises. This will give the birds a peaceful space to feed, and you can enjoy the calming sight of them visiting throughout the day. Not only does this project reuse plastic bottles, but it also helps support local wildlife. It's a win-win for your garden and the birds. Number 5. Vertical herb garden. For our next project, we're going to take advantage of vertical space and create a beautiful herb garden using plastic bottles. This is the perfect solution if you're working with limited space, like a small patio or balcony. By stacking plastic bottles vertically on a pole, you can create a garden that's not only space efficient but also keeps your herbs right at your fingertips. Imagine having fresh basil, mint, and thyme just steps away from your kitchen, all within easy reach and growing beautifully in this creative vertical garden setup. It's a great way to maximize your space while growing all your favorite herbs. Materials needed: plastic bottles, a long pole or post. This could be a sturdy stick, metal rod, or even a wooden dowel. Soil herb plants, such as basil, thyme, or mint. One thing to keep in mind is that each bottle should have drainage holes. Without them, your herbs could become waterlogged, which isn't good for their health. Simply poke a few small holes at the bottom of each bottle, and you're good to go. This vertical garden is a fantastic way to add a touch of greenery to small outdoor spaces, and it's an incredibly simple project that gives you fresh herbs all season long. Number 6. Hanging garden bottles. Now, let's get a little creative and make some whimsical hanging garden pots using plastic bottles. This project is perfect if you want to add a bit of fun and color to your garden while saving on space. All you need to do is cut the bottoms off of your plastic bottles and then hang them from a string or wire. These floating planters will add a unique touch to your garden. Imagine a row of colorful floating planters gently swaying in the breeze, each one filled with vibrant flowers or cascading plants. These hanging garden bottles don't take up any floor space, making them ideal for smaller gardens, balconies, or patios. They'll create a magical, almost fairy tale atmosphere in your outdoor space. Materials needed: plastic bottles, scissors, string, or wire. If you really want to make your hanging garden pop, use colorful bottles. Bright, cheerful colors will give your garden a vibrant, playful look. You can also mix and match different bottle sizes for added interest. These hanging garden bottles are not only eco-friendly but also an eye-catching way to display your plants, giving your garden a floating, dreamlike quality that's sure to impress. Number 7. Outdoor lanterns. Next up, let's turn those plastic bottles into beautiful, eco-friendly outdoor lanterns that will light up your garden with a warm, inviting glow. This is a simple yet stunning project. All you need to do is cut your plastic bottles, pop an LED light inside, and you've got yourself a charming lantern that's perfect for evening relaxation. These lanterns are a fantastic, low-cost way to add soft lighting to your garden. Whether you're having a peaceful evening outside with a book or hosting a small outdoor gathering, these lanterns will create a calming atmosphere and give your space a cozy, magical feel. Materials needed: plastic bottles, LED lights, battery-operated work best, scissors. To make your lanterns even more decorative, consider adding a little extra charm. You can wrap the bottles in twine, paint them with fun designs, or even add some colorful accents. You'll be amazed at how something so simple can completely transform the ambience of your garden. These outdoor lanterns are perfect for adding a warm, peaceful light to your garden, and since they're made from recycled plastic bottles, they're a great way to reduce waste while enhancing your outdoor space. Number 8. Garden stepping stones. Let's take your garden path to the next level by turning plastic bottles into custom garden stepping stones. This is a fun project that not only helps repurpose your plastic bottles but also adds a personal touch to your garden. You'll be using the bottoms of plastic bottles as molds for creating stepping stones, giving you a unique and stylish way to walk through your garden. These stepping stones are a wonderful way to add personality to your garden path. Whether you want to create a whimsical walkway or simply want to brighten up a plain path, these custom stones will make your garden look fantastic and give it a more personalized feel. Materials needed: empty plastic bottle, cement or plaster gloves. For an extra touch of charm, why not add some decorative pebbles, shells, or even colorful glass pieces into the mold before the cement sets. This will give your stepping stones a unique and textured look that's perfect for your garden. Not only do these stepping stones create a functional path, but they also bring a little extra flair to your garden. And best of all, it's an eco-friendly project that recycles those plastic bottles into something beautiful. Number 9. Recycled bottle trellis. Now, let's take your gardening to new heights, literally, by creating a simple and eco-friendly trellis for your climbing plants using large plastic bottles. This is a fantastic way to save space in your garden while helping plants like peas, beans, or even climbing flowers grow upward instead of outward. Using large plastic bottles as the base, you can create a sturdy support structure for your plants to climb and thrive. If you're growing vegetables like peas or beans, this trellis is a perfect solution to keep them off the ground, making your garden more organized and efficient. It's ideal for small spaces, allowing your plants to grow vertically without taking up too much room. Materials needed: large plastic bottles, scissors, string support poles. When assembling your trellis, make sure it's sturdy enough to support the weight of the plants as they grow taller. You don't want your plants to be too heavy for the structure. You can reinforce the bottles with string or wire, and use poles to keep the entire structure upright. This recycled bottle trellis is a simple, sustainable way to help your plants grow upward, saving space while adding a bit of charm to your garden. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Number 10. Garden sculptures. For our final project, let's let our creativity run wild and craft some fun, whimsical sculptures out of plastic bottles. This project is a fantastic way to add some personality and charm to your garden. Whether you want to create vibrant flowers, quirky animals, or anything in between, the possibilities are endless with plastic bottles. These sculptures will make your garden truly unique and serve as a great conversation starter for anyone who visits. Imagine a colorful flower made from plastic bottle petals, or a cute little frog sitting by your garden path. These sculptures can transform an ordinary garden into a playful, imaginative space. Plus, they're so easy to make, and you can customize them to fit your style. Materials needed: plastic bottles, glue, paint, scissors. The best part of this project is that there are no rules. Let your imagination go wild. You can paint your bottles in bold colors, shape them into whatever you like, and even combine different bottle sizes for a fun, layered effect. You could make a colorful bird, a whimsical flower garden, or a set of unique garden critters. The sky's the limit. These garden sculptures are the perfect way to infuse your outdoor space with a bit of creativity and joy. Plus, they're a great way to recycle plastic bottles, turning them into something useful and beautiful. Now, I know that some of these projects may seem a bit tricky at first, and you might be thinking, can I really do this? But trust me, you don't need to be a pro to pull them off. You've got this. Remember, gardening is all about enjoying the process. It's not about making everything perfect. It's about having fun and creating something that makes you happy. These projects are meant to be easy and enjoyable, and there's no right or wrong way to go about them. They just need to be fun. And if you ever feel like you're not sure where to start, don't worry. Just begin with one project. Take your time, and let your creativity guide you. It's not a race, and there's no deadline. The important thing is to enjoy the journey and see how your garden transforms with every little change you make. Remember, there's no rush. Step by step, your garden will begin to bloom, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. As we dive into these fun projects, it's important to remember a few safety tips to make sure your gardening experience is both enjoyable and safe. First and foremost, always wear gloves when working with scissors or any other sharp tools. Even the most experienced gardeners can get caught by a stray edge, so gloves will protect your hands and keep you comfortable while you work. Next, take breaks when you need to, especially if you're bending down or standing for long periods. Gardening can be a little hard on the knees or back, so make sure to stretch or rest every now and then. Comfort is key, and remember, there's no rush. And one of the most important things, don't forget to hydrate while you're out in the garden. Whether you're working on a project or just tending to your plants, staying hydrated is crucial to your health, especially when working outdoors. Keep a water bottle nearby and take sips as needed. By following these simple safety tips, you'll have a comfortable and enjoyable gardening experience. Remember, it's all about working at your own pace and taking care of yourself while you enjoy the process. Now, I'd love to hear about your own recycled bottle projects. Have you tried any creative ways to repurpose plastic bottles in your garden? Maybe you've come up with something unique that you're excited to share. I'd love to hear all about it, so please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And if you decide to try any of these DIY projects, don't forget to snap a picture and tag us on social media. We'd absolutely love to see how you make these ideas your own and how your garden is transforming. Remember, gardening is a community, and the more we share and inspire each other, the better our gardens and our lives become. If you enjoyed these fun and easy recycled bottle ideas, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find us and join in on the fun. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future projects. We've got so many more simple, senior-friendly gardening tips and tricks coming your way, and I can't wait to share them with you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're part of this wonderful gardening community now. Gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature, and it's so rewarding to see your hard work bloom, especially when it's made with love and recycled materials. Not only are you helping your garden thrive, but you're also making a positive impact on the environment. I want to thank you for spending your time with me today. Remember, every small step you take towards making your garden your own is a big win. You don't have to do everything all at once, just take it one project at a time and enjoy the journey. Keep growing, keep smiling, and keep making magic in your backyard. You've got this. Until next time, take care, and I can't wait to see what you create in your garden. Stay inspired, and happy gardening!